Here we are at the old town park. We're here. You can see there's lots of walks around. We're going to be on the stream. We're going to dive into the stream now and have a nice little film with the other camera. So here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Old Town Park at Okehampton. So, yesterday you would have watched a vlog, very short one, of the castle. And now it is starting to drizzle a little bit, was quite annoying, but we're now going to do some shots. But like I said, it's drizzling, not very nice. I woke up in a bit of a bad mood today. I can see why. It was just a forelook of what's coming. So trying to somewhere we can sit and have a cup of tea. I said it's not actually it's spitting and rain though, but it's only really spitting. It could really blow over really quickly. Nice little beach here. So I don't know if it's going to be very good action shots. I think the sun. So we're underneath these trees in the shelter, away from the rain. You can see it spitting onto the thing, but at the moment, just dropped my glasses. We're quite sheltered underneath here, so seeing as we're lying down mats for us to have a little sit while it rains. But I'm going to take out with the other camera and get a little bit wet. Just face it, actually, it's raining quite heavy. So we're quite lucky that it wasn't actually open, otherwise we would have been getting very wet. So yes, there we go. Yes, I'm going to have a cuppa, yes. Cuppa and a cake. We've got two little cakes there. Let the rain will hopefully will rush over through. One thing I've got to keep in mind, because twice now I've just gone to plunge my camera into the actual water, and of course I haven't got the camera out yet. This is a normal camera. That would not be good, would it? So anyway, I am going to go and have a cup of tea now, and then I should try to do some underwater filming now. But they're definitely fishing here and they're darting around. They're only little things, but I'm going to try to find them. lovely little experience. And using of the camera and the new camera, very excited about that, see how that comes out. And goodbye Town Park, Old Town Park. We shall see you another time. We might go back over there. We're going to check now to see if the castle's open. But anyway, I am waffling now. It's time to say goodbye.